Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can assign a ringtone to contact on your ZTE Blade A72S. So to do this you have to open the phone dialer at the first and next pick one of the contacts. Right now we have to click on the three dots in the right upper corner and then click to set ringtone. Right now you are able to use all default ringtones that you have on your phone. And then if you want to confirm, just click OK. But you are also to set your custom ringtone by using the music. So right here you will find, let me just turn off this volume. So right here you will find all files like recordings, music, any other stuff like that on your phone. And you'll be able to pick it from the list. It will look the same like on this list. And then just click OK to confirm. So as you can see, that's how it looks. Hope you like it.